What's up, outsiders? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this simple, bulletproof tether for your GoPro. You'll never lose your GoPro again, I promise. If you're into action sports, you probably have a GoPro, and you probably attach it to your helmet using one of these 3M stick-on mounts. These work well, but they're not 100%. I'm a raft guide and I like to take videos of my trips. I've knocked off 2 of these stick mounts from my helmet. Luckily, both times I was on dry land. But some of my friends have not been so fortunate. I know of at least 2 GoPros at the bottom of the Genesee River. The solution is this easy to make tether. All you need is about a foot of paracord, one 10 to 12 gauge ring wire connector, pliers or a crimper, and a lighter. First, we're going to burn both ends of the paracord. This will make it easier to feed it through the wire connector. Then we're going to feed the paracord through the wire connector. Once you have the paracord through, pull it up a couple of inches. Next, take your lighter and something metal, maybe a quarter or something like that, and we're going to burn the end of this quite a bit, and then we're going to press it hard against the quarter to flatten out the end of the paracord. This is so it won't pull through. Even though we're crimping it, this will give a little bit of extra protection. Now, you're going to pull the paracord back to the base of the connector, and what you just melted will be big enough that it won't actually fit through the connector. Then, take your crimpers, and with the appropriate color, or with pliers, you want to crimp down to the paracord, and now you have a rock solid connection that you can use with your GoPro. You can use this tether with almost any GoPro accessory because all you need to do is place your GoPro on the mount, and then you feed the screw through the wire connector and then secure it down, and then you attach the other end of your tether however you want to your helmet, to your life vest, to your jacket, whatever you need to attach it to so you don't lose your GoPro. So what I do is I take my tether and I tie it to the inside of my helmet just with a bowline knot, and then it secures onto the top of my helmet. So unless I lose my helmet, I'm not going to lose my GoPro. An alternate way to connect it is by creating a loop on one end of the tether, and you have your wire connector on here. And what you can do is feed this through whatever piece of gear you're going to connect to, whether it's a life vest for water skiing, maybe you're holding a camera while you're snowboarding. Could be a lot of different ways you could connect this. What you can do is feed this through a piece of gear, and then you feed the wire connector through the loop, and now you're tethered to whatever piece of gear that you want. And what's nice is you can undo this real quick and take your GoPro with you. Well, that's a pretty simple tether. You'll never lose your GoPro again. I know I feel safer using it. I hope you like this video. Be sure to click that like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel. That's it for now. I'll see you guys outside.